came in about sleep and metabolism. And the question here is, does sleep or lack thereof affect your metabolism? If I have severe sleep issues, what can I do about it? So talk to us about, and yes, I see that hand. Go ahead, Jessee.
Got it over here. Sleep is a very important subject to talk about. Let's just start with, it all starts with your ambiance of your bedroom, right? If we don't have a room, if we don't have a space to sleep and call it a relaxing space, we are on the wrong path. So we should never work in our bedroom. You should never take your laptop to your bedroom and put it on your lap and start working away. Your brain is going to separate, relax, sleep, increase of melatonin, decrease of serotonin, all those things that are associated with getting your body ready for sleep. It's not going to be doing if you're not allowing it to do so, right? So the first things are to make sure that you have an environment to sleep as best as possible, right? Why do we need to have a good night's sleep, like the doctor says, which is 8 hours for you adults out there. So I'm sure if you're getting in 6, you're like, I'll never get 8. That's a goal. Our brain needs 8 hours of restoration. Why does it need restoration? Think of your body as in a fight or flight mode. So when we start to go to bed and we start to turn off, our body is in the moment where it gets to restore itself. It gets to shut down. It gets to repair what needs to be repaired. And in essence, it's helping that metabolism do its job. It's helping it say, okay, now metabolism, here you go. You've got all these things that you need to do. You got to repair the muscles from the workout. You got to, clean the liver out. You got all these things you got to do while they're sleeping, because when they're awake, your body's focused on getting you to move, getting you to digest, getting you to sleep, getting you to talk, getting you to do all the things you have to do during your day. And if you don't get sleep, how's your body going to do all that? Right? We're already exhausted when we wake up. That's not a good sign, right? And that's why food can be so important, because most of the time we're not sleeping well, because we're not eating well, because we're not taking care of ourselves. So if we can just eat a little bit better, we'll sleep a little bit better, and then we finally get to see that weight start dropping. So sleep, in my book, is very, very correlated. And if we don't get into that restorative mode, your body will be in that fight or flight mode, and it's not going to lose weight the right way, right? We want it to lose weight, eating fat, keeping the muscle, and all those good things. So sleep is at the top of the list.